What if I told you your fence could actually improve the environment? Forget everything you think you know about fencing. Today, we're diving deep into groundbreaking sustainable materials and practices that will transform your backyard, reduce your footprint, and create a barrier that truly stands the test of time. Let's start with materials. Reclaimed and recycled wood reduces waste while adding rustic character to your property. Composite fencing, made from recycled plastics, offers unmatched durability with almost zero maintenance. And then, there are natural options like bamboo, willow, and even living fences that blend seamlessly with nature while boosting biodiversity. But materials are just part of the story. Ethical fencing also means eco-conscious installation. That includes low-impact post-setting methods, using non-toxic finishes and sealants, and minimizing waste through smart planning and recycling construction debris. Maintaining your ethical fence is easier than you think. With eco-friendly care practices, you'll extend its lifespan while reducing your long-term costs. Plus, your choice supports sustainable industries and helps lower your carbon footprint over time. So, how can you start? First, explore what works for your budget, whether it's reclaimed wood, composites, or natural alternatives. Second, connect with trusted suppliers who specialize in sustainable fencing. And finally, take action. Each ethical fence is part of a bigger movement toward responsible property solutions. Ready to start your ethical fencing journey? Visit us at kaonfenceinc.com or call 78176-73596. Together, let's build fences that protect not just your property, but the planet too.